Whoa, it's minifigure illusion reporting from somewhere on spaceship Earth. Brick shipper. Ah, I forgot my, blowing it, dude. Already blowing it. So, first Lego score of the, of 2023. I'm pretty excited about this one, actually. This one's got all the goods, dude. It's got it all. I'm opening up the box right now. All right, no damaged boxes. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So right off the bat, I got the gift with purchase. The gift with purchase. Boom, look at that, dude. The Blacktron Cruiser. Boom. Oh, that's a beautiful, came in perfect condition. A little scuff on the box, but the side art. I got the minifigure. It looks like it comes with a minifigure and a robot on the back. Look at that right there. All right, get this out of the way. So we got the Blacktron. And you know what's funny is I have like a bag full of this stuff I scored from the thrift store. And I have been meaning to go through it. Like I have some of these the original minifigures and all, like I think I might even have this original set in pieces yet to be assembled. So that's pretty neat. And then what do we get here? We got some Chinese New Year accessory pack. Chinese New Year accessory pack right there. So that's pretty cool. I like the whole new VIP member accessory pack thing. And then the new 501st battle pack. It is officially a battle pack type of set with the 501st, the new clone troopers, dude, right there. So we're super pumped on that one. Boom, dude. We are all 501st out. Oh, dude, wait, are we doing that? Like, bam, like there's that. And then I needed to get I got 2 of these just to get my gift with purchase. My Blacktron, dude. Blacktron Cruiser, yo. So I got a couple of those. But this is, I'm pretty excited about that. The bomber. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nice box art. Let's see. You get a Darth Vader, Vice Admiral Sloan, the bomber pilot, and another Gonk droid. Been a bunch of Gonk droids lately. There we go. This is the set everybody's been waiting for, man. This is it. 625 pieces, dude. The TIE bomber. Whew. Right there. No, I was pretty excited about all of that stuff. But I have to admit, I'm a little bit more excited about this one. I'm a little bit more excited about this one. Ooh, what is this? Oh, the Avenger Quinjet. Iron Man, Black Widow, Captain America, Thor, and a Loki, dude. Always stoked on a Loki, dude, the trickster. Look at that. This one's gonna go fantastic with the Guardians of the Galaxy, their ship with the stand and the whole thing. And it is really just some, it's a good looking set, man. That is a good looking set. I don't know what else to say about that except it's a good looking set. You know, good grouping of minifigures in this one. Yeah, it's a good looking set, man. Sexy. That's a sexy set, dude. So we got that. Oh yeah, this one's gonna go big. So that, I mean, as far as that goes, like, that's a pretty good Lego haul. Come on, man. Come on, minifigures. Come on, my fellow minifigures. Look at that, dude. We got the new 501st battle pack. Like, that's an official battle pack. Oh, dude, sorry about it. I don't have my gimbal set up. We got the Blacktron gift with Cruiser. Like that. That's just going right up into the archive shelf. We got that, the bomber. Boom, bomber. We got 2 minifigure packs. We got the Chinese New Year accessory pack with, what has it got in there? Oh, it's got a little bunny rabbit, dude. So we got that going for us. And then, the Quinjet. Ooh, yeah. So, we're coming in hot into 2023. We're about to get our brick clicking on around here. So stay tuned, my minifigs. Stay tuned, my minifigs, and we'll get my tinfoil minifigs, dude. Right? We'll get our thing on. Wow. And we'll start doing some live builds and all that. But that's our first haul for 2023, man. It's a good looking set, man. All right, we will be back. This is Minifigure Illusions signing off.